Chris Dorn here with MarineMax Baltimore. We're going to take you through the 2019 Scout 275 Dorado. Start here on the hull. It is the Rascal Blue hull, which is really an eye catcher. Go over here to the swim platform. You have your upgraded teak on both platforms here, as well as a swim ladder. Twin 200 Yamahas. Moving forward, this will fold up and completely fold down, so if you're swimming, you have an easy entrance. Also, can easily pull a fish through there too. You got double bait wells over here, which also double as a wash down. Come further into the boat, both these sides here will fold down into seats. As you can see, you have some fish wells here on the floor, and then this seat will fold away as well. Move in, you have your cup holders, you have some rod holders. Take a look here at the hard top, nice and sturdy. You got yourself some grab handles, and then take a look around too. You'll see these blue accent lights up here in the hard top and down by the floor. Come in here, you have a refrigerator to keep your beverages cold. You have some tackle storage here, and then you have your sink here, make a nice wet bar. Come up here to the helm. Fold down armrests. You also have the thigh rise bolster. You're gonna have a teak insert here at your helm, as well as your push button start, your Edson steering wheel, digital shift, Fusion stereo, your Garmin GPS for navigation, and your Optimus steering, along with your trim tabs with LED indicators on them. Come over here. You'll see this is a very nice, large day head with a sink inside. You also notice that there is storage for your table in there as well. You have your walk-through windshield with some more tackle storage here. Storage to the sides. And then when you come to the front, you have storage underneath this seat. Very nice bow seating with a armrest. You have two drink holders here. And if you move to the front, you'll notice these drink holders up here also double as fishing rods holders. Table here for entertainment. And then finally, all the way forward is your anchor with windlass. You can control the windlass from the two push buttons up there, or you can control the windlass from the helm. Thank you for walking through the 2019 Scout 275 Dorado. Please give us a call, stop by, or visit us on the website. Thank you.